Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to sign out of the Zoom app on your mobile device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see your main Zoom dashboard. Now tap on your profile picture located in the upper left corner of the screen. This will open up your profile menu where you can access various account options and settings related to your Zoom profile. From the profile menu that appears, tap on Settings. This is where all your Zoom preferences and account configurations are stored, giving you control over notifications, meeting settings, and account management options. Next, scroll down through the Settings menu and tap on Sign Out. This option is typically found further down in the settings list, so you'll need to scroll a bit to locate it. Tapping this will initiate the sign out process from your Zoom account. Finally, to confirm that you want to sign out, tap the Sign Out button in the bottom right corner of the screen. This final confirmation ensures you don't accidentally log out of your account. Once you tap this, you'll be signed out of Zoom and return to the login screen. And that's it, you've successfully signed out of your Zoom account on mobile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.